Hi, I'm Tristan. I'm a chef, and even though I cook in professional kitchens and came up in Michelin star restaurants, when I cook at home, I like to keep things simple. A sentiment I feel is shared with the judges. Bridget and Sarah have been telling their audiences for years that keeping things simple doesn't mean compromising on flavor. And Buki has showcased in his programs, immigrant communities are no strangers to ingredients that pack a punch. I think that Mexican chicken adobo, or adobo de pollo, embodies both of these ideas. So let's cook it. We'll prep our ingredients, and then we'll put it all together. I have here 2 pounds of chicken thighs. You can use whatever cut you like, but I really like thighs. Season all over with salt and pepper. For the sauce, I have 1 onion that I will dice. For the magic ingredient, I have 1 4-ounce can of chipotles and adobo. If you've never tried these before, you're going to love them. They're smoked chilies packed in a tangy tomato sauce. Sweet, smoky, a little spicy, perfect flavor boost for a weeknight meal. Using a hand blender or a regular blender, I'm just going to blend this small can of chilies with 3 cups of chicken broth. And then with the juice of 1 lime, our sauce is ready to go. Now I get a Dutch oven on the stove over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once our oil is hot and shimmering, we want to sear off our chicken. This will add depth of flavor to our sauce. With our chicken seared off, we can now go in with our onions. Drop the heat to medium, cook those until they begin to soften, take a little color on the edges, and all the golden brown bits in the pan have loosened up. Then we pour in our sauce, nestle in our chicken pieces, bring that up to a simmer, cover it, and let it cook for about 25 minutes. Ooh, and how beautiful is that? With just 6 ingredients, this is a crazy flavorful dish, and the only thing you need to make it a complete meal is some rice and tortillas. I hope you give it a try. Cheers.